friends, welcome back to Astrology with Ninad. The year 2025 is approaching very soon. In this video, I am going to discuss the yearly annual horoscope prediction for the 12th and final sign, Pisces, which is Meen Rashi. I am going to discuss several major life areas such as career, health, finance, business, education, travel, and much more. Before I get to the prediction part, I want to take a moment to analyze the transit of the four major planets Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. Why these specifically? Because they tend to transit in sign and houses for long periods of time as compared to the other planets like Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Venus. So they naturally exert a lot more influence and impact. Starting with Saturn, it will be transiting in your 12th house in its own sign of Aquarius till March 28, after which it will move to your first house itself in the sign of Pisces. Speaking of Rahu, the north node of the moon will be in your first house in the ascendant till about May 17. On May 18, it will transit to your 12th house in the sign of Aquarius. Similarly, Ketu, its counterpart, the south node of the moon, will be in your 7th house till May 17 in the sign of Virgo. Then on May 18, it will transit to your 6th house in the sign of Leo and will stay there for the remainder of the year. Finally, Jupiter, the lord of your Lagna, the ruler of your ascendant itself, will transit multiple times this year, starting with its initial transit in Taurus in your 3rd house, then transiting to the 4th house in the sign of Gemini on May 14. Then again on October 18, it will transit to your 5th house in the sign of Cancer, where it becomes exalted. And then once again, it will move back to your 4th house in the sign of Gemini on December 5th. So these are the key transits. Now let's dive into the prediction part, starting with career. In terms of job and profession area, the months of May, June, July, August, September, the first half of October and December are looking to be exceptional for your career growth and progress. You can achieve significant success at your workplace if you keep putting in the hard work and effort. There are chances of bonus, promotion, salary increment, desired job transfer, internal, job transfer or to a different department, to a different location is likely. Getting assigned new project, new task, new teams, possibly better changes can be seen in your workplace, a better team, better manager that you enjoy working with more, better subordinates if you're in a leadership position can also be seen. So overall, these months can add a bit more work pressure as well due to Saturn's impact on your 10th. But fear not, as the lord of your career house, Jupiter, and the lord of your Lagna will also, provide you with its full blessings on the career house. So just stay positive, put in your full faith, work honestly, have a strict, disciplined, structured work-life balance, and you will achieve a lot. And if you don't have a job, I highly recommend keep applying, give lots of interviews, as there is a strong chance you can land a new job with a decent salary and benefits package. All right, talking about business. Overall, business area is likely to flourish, especially in the first 5 months. So if you really need to take any important business decision, important business implementation, strategies, getting into new business deals or, collaborations, whatever it might be, the first half of the year, especially the first 5 months, are looking to be strong. Just, use good business judgment, decision making, and, you can increase your revenues, profits, and overall your business can certainly flourish. Even the second half is not looking bad, but you need to be a bit more cautious due to Saturn's impact on your business house. You need to take it easy. You need to stick with the status quo, and you need to curb taking any major business related risky decisions. If I talk about finance, overall, the financial area is going to get better, especially from April onwards, because the Lord of your 11th house of gains will transit in your ascendant itself. So, naturally, a lot of improvement is seen in the inflow of money. Wealth accumulation will also start to get better slowly from April onwards, and from June onwards, June 5 onwards, it will be like, like you will be in a really good financial position, because overall your savings can start to triple, your bank balance will grow manyfold, and the financial crunch that you experienced in these last couple of years, slowly that will all go away, that will disappear, and a new kind of beginning can be seen for re-establishing your financial independence, security, and stability moving forward. If I talk about health, the first 3 months are looking a bit sensitive for your health, especially acute health issues. Try not to ignore those. Get the timely treatment if something is to bother you. But overall, from April onwards, the health area is looking strong. It is looking positive. You might need to get like a wellness checkup just in case. But overall, as long as you take good care, you eat the right kind of food, you have the good, right balanced diet, healthy diet, exercise, meditation, yoga, pranayama, your health will be good for the most part, at least 70% that I can see here in 2025. If we talk about love life, in terms of single people wanting to get into a relationship, the best time for that, purely speaking about, not saying that you won't get any other opportunities, but the best time for that is going to be October 18 to December 4, because Jupiter will be exalted in your fifth house of relationship itself. So that will be the perfect time to possibly start a new relationship. For those couples already in a relationship, the time will be good throughout the year. Mostly it will be positive. A lot of harmony, peace is seen. And especially in the last 3 months, the love, romance, bonding will only increase. If we see marriage, for single people wanting to get married, the first 5 months are looking much, much positive. Your marriage house will be strongly activated. So if your dasha, antardasha, pratyantar dasha, your natal chart supports this, then marriage related activities can certainly take place, especially in the first half. If we talk about married couples, already those who are married to their spouse, the time is looking good for the most part, although in the second half, there could be some trials and tribulations. There could be some kind of challenges you might have to face, but it will not be something out of your reach. If you are willing to compromise, if you have love and care for your spouse, then certainly you can work towards it. You can resolve any past differences that need to be resolved, and you can establish a good marital harmony, peace, and married life moving forward. If we talk about education, in terms of primary education, for those students pursuing bachelor's high school, the time is looking good throughout the year, especially the second half is looking very positive. So you can make good academic progress. In terms of higher education, for those students pursuing master's PhD program, the time after April is looking much more positive, especially the second half is looking phenomenal, and you can make excellent academic progress. If we talk about children, for those people who have children, overall the relationship with them should be smooth mostly throughout the year, and especially the last 3 months can be exceptional. You can spend a lot of good quality time with your children, which can help to increase the bonding, the love in the relationship, and overall the harmony and peace can certainly be established. Finally, travel. In terms of short distance travel journey, the time is looking to be good throughout the year, so you can certainly embark on the same. In terms of long distance travel journey vacation, The second half of the year is much better than the first half. So if you can delay your plans and push them till the second half of the year, it will be in your favor. So overall, looking at the big picture, this year is looking positive, especially slowly from April, May onwards. Your timeline is looking good for many areas of your life, including career, finances, uh, travel, education. A lot of areas are looking good for you and are supported. So make the most of it. And I wish you all the very best. And I hope you have a wonderful, happy new year 2025. Thank you for watching.